What's up? Happy Sunday. Good morning. Thank you so much for tuning into my premiere. I hope that you enjoy it. I got done with work the other night and decided I wanted to go out to the state park and cook up some food. I wanted to bring you guys along with me. I've also got this truck fridge from New Air that I wanted to share with you guys and make a little video about, so I wrapped that up in this one as well. And had a really nice time out at the state park. It was a beautiful evening. Saw some deer. Make sure you guys watch because there's a deer that is in the background of one of the scenes in the video that I did not even realize until I was editing, and I had looked at the clip several times before I even noticed it. So that was pretty cool when I spotted that, and you guys should keep an eye out and see if you can spot it too. So yeah, this is a pretty good video. I spent many hours editing and I think it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it and I hope you guys enjoy it. So we'll see you guys in the side chat and I look forward to chatting with you.